Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm making coddled breakfast eggs, and I'm starting with a few Parmesan chips. This is finely grated Parmesan, piled onto baking paper and popped under the grill. Just a couple of minutes, keep an eye, and they come out beautifully crispy. Now for the recipe. I'm using truffle oil today, and I have spinach, tomatoes, sliced mushrooms, and a little bit of smoked garlic. You can choose anything you like for this recipe. Now for the base, I'm going to cut the crusts of a piece of brown bread. This makes a lovely crispy base when it's cooked, but I'm going to make it nice and thin and a little bit larger by rolling it out. Then just pop it into the bottom of a little ramekin dish. Once the vegetables are cooked, they go into the base. Not too many, we want to leave room for the eggs. And then top this with a little cream. Next, the eggs. Depending on the size of your ramekin, you might fit 1 or 2. Then onto a tray. Now I like to top these with a little bit of Parmesan. Gives it a nice crisp top. And a little bit of ricotta. A couple of teaspoons gently placed on top of each one. And then don't forget to add black pepper and a little bit of flaked salt. Then these can pop into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Again, keep an eye on them. And you can take them out when the centre is just a little bit wobbly. It will firm up. Add the Parmesan chips, and it makes a gorgeous breakfast. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you soon.